There is nothing you cannot learn. Do not be deceived and think that you cannot learn something. People are making billions. This can change your life. This can change your life. That is what this video is about. I want something that can change your life from what it is to where you don't even expect. Maybe in a year's time, you'll be talking about something else differently. In 1 year time, you'll be telling yourself, wow, I didn't know I would be here by now. Because you put in that effort, you put in that money, you put in that time, and it is no longer news that in today's world, it's only people with skills that are going to survive. Things have changed from normal to something else. It used to be then go to school, get a degree and get a job, and then you will now start making money and start living all right. But today you can see for yourself there are people that have skills, especially digital skills, that are the ones that are making a whole lot of money in any industry whatsoever. Because the world have changed. Back in the days, people used to say go to school or learn some kind of jobs that are really not really what it is, because the world have changed. After COVID-19, so many things changed. People are working remotely now, people are working from anywhere in the world. Are you getting the point? So now is the best time for anybody to learn a skill. And in today's video, I want to introduce you to a platform that can help you to learn any kind of skill that you want to learn, and that is called Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online platform that can help you learn any kind of skill that you want to learn, from digital marketing to graphic design, video editing, videography, cinematography, a lot of things, like just whatever you think, whatever you can see anybody's doing now as digital skills, you can learn it on Skillshare. I was able to learn 1 or 2 things from Skillshare like 2-3 years ago, and to be honest with you, I have been able to make a lot of money for myself. In fact, I live off my skills today. Are you getting the point? I learned music production, how to record songs, how to do so many things from Skillshare, how to run graphic design. Now I do music production, I do graphic designs, I shoot videos, I edit videos, I do all those things, and they pay me for it. And where did I learn it? From Skillshare. And I have been wondering, why is it that so many people are not thinking towards that direction? I see a lot of young men today. They are looking for fast means of making money. They're looking for something they can do now and make money. It's not bad to do something now and make money, but do you have the capital to invest and make money now? That is the point. Because if you don't have money, you have to look for money before you can now start looking for money sharp or money now. I get to the point. So I always wonder why people are looking down on learning a skill. You don't have a skill, most times you don't have a degree, most times you don't have a good job, and you are looking for money now. Why is it difficult for you to just put in maybe small money to learn a skill? Skillshare will charge you approximately maybe small money for a course or something that you can just learn, perfect something, so that you can become a master of something, so that you can start doing something that can change your life, change your story, change your history forever. Because when you don't have a skill, you don't have a skill. And you don't have a degree. Even a degree these days does not really guarantee anything, because people are looking for experts. If I'm going to hire anybody to do anything for me, I'm not going to ask you for your degree. If I'm going to hire you for a job, for anything, because I'm going to be specific, I'm not going to ask you for your degree. I get to the point. I will ask you for your expertise, your skills, what you can do, what you have done before that other people can follow. I get to the point. So if you are not skillful, I wonder how your future will be. The world keeps changing. It keeps changing. It keeps getting worse. And that is why you see people getting into poverty, and you see the skillful ones making a lot of money. Someone like Mark Zuckerberg, if not that he went into app development and all those things he did, before they got Facebook, I don't know if he will become one of the richest people in the world today. And so forth, and so on and so forth. A lot of people today, you can hear their name because they just created something with their skills. Are you getting the point? Someone created, two guys from Nigeria created Paystack. Paystack is now a global thing. They are now making money in billions of money. and some of their mates are still looking for jobs because they are graduates, so they might be looking for jobs. They're looking for 9 to 5 jobs rather than to learn a skill that can deliver you from that trap. Because it's a trap. Anything that makes you you wake up in the morning, you want to bath, and you want to move and go and sit down in someone's office and stay there from some time to some time. That's a trap. That's a prison for me. I don't just like it. Working for someone, sitting at a place, being controlled, telling you what to do, it doesn't make sense to me. But when you have a skill, you work on your own pace. When you have a skill, someone calls for your job, you do it on your own space. You don't need anybody to tell you when to. You just have to tell them when you deliver, and you get your money. You get paid as you do your job. When I shoot people's video, I take you to a location. I shoot your video. I'll tell you the time I'll finish the editing, and that is it. You pay me. You can't tell me. I get to the point. I will tell you when I want to do it and how I'll do it, because I'm the expert here. You don't have the knowledge I have. You need my expertise. I get to the point. So it's good for you to develop an expertise that people will need. So that's why I'm introducing you to Skillshare. You can download the app, just go there, just subscribe for their premium version because it's always a premium product. So you have to just pay for it so that you can learn properly. Learn anything you want whatsoever. You just have to learn the digital skills because we are in digital age. We are no longer in those days where people go and learn carpenter or go and learn learn all those things, because machines are coming up to take over so many of these things. But digital skills will definitely help you. Yes, because now with the arrival of AI, with all this ChatGPT and all those things that's coming up, you will realize that it now makes people that are doing digital jobs easy for them to make money. Yes, you can just do something just easy. Things become easier. You can do things that were hard 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. Today is more easier to do on digital space. So I will advise you, what skill do you want to learn? Because there is nothing you cannot learn. That's the truth. Some people think, I can't learn this, I can't learn that. There is nothing you cannot learn. As long as you're a human being, you're still thinking, you're still in your right mind, you are still breathing, you have your hands, you have everything together. There is nothing you cannot learn. Do not be deceived and think that you cannot learn something. People are making billions. This can change your life. This can change your life. That is what this video is about. I want something that can change your life from what it is to where you don't even expect. Maybe in a year's time, you'll be talking about something else differently. In 1 year time, you'll be telling yourself, wow, I didn't know I would be here by now. Because you put in that effort, you put in that money, you put in that time, and you learned something that is going to pay you for the rest of your life. So why are you not learning something new today? Why can't you just take advantage of Skillshare? Maybe I will put in the link in the description so that you can just follow from there and learn something that can change your life. Do not forsake this information I'm trying to pass to you. Just go to Skillshare and learn a skill. A skill is the only thing that can help you. Even if you want to become a YouTuber, you want to become a TikToker, you want to become a Facebooker, whatever you want to do, you want to become a social media influencer, you learn those skills. These are skills. You don't think that because you're using Facebook or you now know. No. There are tricks and tips on how you can manipulate all those platforms, and those are skills. So there are people that are professionals on that. They will teach you exactly what you need to know about these platforms, and by the time you implement them, you begin to see results. You begin to see yourself change. You begin to see growth. You begin to see difference. Because you thought maybe it's the same way, maybe because you posted something or because you did something, that is the reason why. No. You become a YouTuber, it's a skill. There are people billionaires in YouTube. To become somebody, an influential person on social media, is a skill. These are things that you need to pay attention to. There is no business you're doing today that does not require social media skills. You can think you're selling something, you have a product you're marketing, or you have a product you're selling physically, but you don't know that those products can also be sold online, and you make more money from it than what you were making before. And mind you, every other thing is going online. So if your business is not online, that means you're not yet there. You have a shop in Alaba or whatever, you have shops, you have a physical shop. You think that is the only place it should be. No. There are times people will not be coming to your shops again. Other people will be selling your product and be making profit you should be making. They will sell your product online and you just pay you for your this thing and add more money to your product and be making money, while you should be the one doing that. So learning a skill, how to become influential, how to market products, digital marketing, online marketing, influencer, these are skills that can make you millions of money every year. So if you want to learn a skill, I'll drop a link of Skillshare. Go to the site, go to the app, just pay for the premium service or pay for the course that you want to learn. Just think of what you think is good for you or what you think you can just actually learn, and you can start. It won't take you more than a day. You just start. Before you know it, you begin to master one or two things, and before you know it, you have a skill. Before you know it, you start doing something, and before you know it, you start making money. And that's all I have for you in this video. If you have any contribution or you have any comments, please drop it on the comment section. And if you're new, you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share the video to someone you don't know who might need it. In fact, so many people need this video because they need this information so that they can begin to think about their lives. And that's all I have for you. I will see you in the next one. Remember, blessed and bye.